Hi, my name is Jessica Brozig, and today I want to talk to you about the time-saving aspect of the new 1492P push-in terminal blocks. The time-saving comparison of the screw clamp versus the push-in is going to be shown. What I want to actually show you is the difference between the spring clamp and the new push-in style. So the difference between the spring clamp and the push-in style is with the spring clamp, you have to actually insert your screwdriver into the block, which is metal touching metal. There is a potential of hazard there, whereas the push-in style just has a little plastic tab on top that you push in and that releases. Now watch how quickly the 1492 push-in style terminal blocks can be installed versus the screw-in clamp style. If you'd like to learn more about the 1492 push-in style terminal blocks, contact your local Werner Electric account manager.